Spotify Camp Nou is looking more impressive with every new update, and today, the progress across the stadium is simply impossible to ignore. The transformation is moving at full speed, with exciting progress unfolding across several key areas and more of the future Camp Nou beginning to come to life. Today's update is packed with progress, surprises, and exciting new developments. So let's take a closer look at everything happening at Spotify Camp Nou. We begin on the lateral side, where the first diamond is showing encouraging progress. Workers have started raising the first walls, and the structure is now beginning to develop a much more recognizable shape. At the same time, more lighting fixtures are being installed around the decorative lamellas, adding another important detail to this evolving section of the stadium. The second diamond is currently maintaining its existing structure, while the surrounding area is already preparing for future progress. A large number of decorative lamellas can be seen stored nearby, highlighting the scale of the work still to come. These elements will eventually play an important role in shaping the distinctive appearance of the stadium. Another interesting development can be found inside the two VIP levels, where workers have started painting sections of the walls in gray. Although this may appear to be a small detail, it represents another step toward the finishing stages of these spaces. Slowly but surely, the interiors are beginning to look more refined and closer to their future appearance. One of the most exciting developments can be seen in another diamond structure, which is now starting to take shape through the construction of its first walls. The final appearance of this structure will become clearer as more work continues, but its development is already giving us another glimpse of the unique architectural design planned for this side of Spotify Camp Nou. From this position, we can enjoy a wider view connecting the goal area with the lateral side of the stadium. It is becoming increasingly clear how the different projects around Spotify Camp Nou are progressing simultaneously. Each individual structure is part of a much bigger transformation that is gradually bringing the entire stadium together. Moving over to the Tribune side, we can see the diamond structure planned for the future ticket office. While the aluminum facade is still awaiting its next stage, the structure itself remains an important part of the stadium's future design. The presence of another compression ring box is an encouraging sign, as materials connected to the future roof structure continue to be positioned around the stadium. Each of these components represents another piece of one of the most important engineering projects in the entire transformation of Spotify Camp Nou. The future FC Barcelona store is also beginning to show more signs of development. Different colors can now be seen on sections of the wall, suggesting that this area is continuing through its next stage of preparation. The surrounding zones have also been organized and fenced off, while the interior remains ready for further work as the project continues to move forward. From the area in front of the Paris Hall, we can once again observe the compression ring. Although the main visual changes are concentrated in other parts of the stadium during this update, the compression ring remains one of the biggest projects in the entire transformation, with related materials and preparations visible across different sections. And now, the roof transformation enters a defining new phase. Barcelona has now reached one of the most important stages of the entire roof structure, the outer compression ring. Limac Construction has already installed 46 supports and 92 radial cables above the third tier, creating the framework that will eventually carry the new roof. Think of the roof like a giant bicycle wheel. The outer compression ring forms the rim, while the cables will stretch inward toward a second inner tension ring. Some of those cables will reach almost 90 meters across the stadium, and the scale is massive. Each of the 46 supports weighs around 28 tons, meaning the supports alone represent roughly 1,288 tons of steel. But there's a bigger reason this matters. Once the compression ring is fully completed, Barcelona can move closer to the main roof operation planned for summer 2027. The cables, inner ring, membrane, and eventually the solar panels all depend on this structural system coming together. So, while the ring might look like just another piece of steel from outside, it is actually the foundation for one of the biggest construction moments still coming at Camp Nou. One of the biggest developments on the Tribune side is the installation of the first supports for the decorative Lamellas. This is an important step forward because these supports will eventually allow the decorative elements to begin appearing across this section. The structure is now being prepared for one of the most visually distinctive features of the future stadium. Additional superstructure can also be seen appearing in nearby areas, with more supports being installed for the decorative Lamellas. This progress is gradually expanding across the Tribune side, creating the framework needed for the next stage of the exterior transformation. The Gol Norte is showing some very noticeable progress today, especially with the LED lighting. Several lifting platforms are active, while workers are connecting the green cables to the LED floodlights already installed. In the middle section, more LED lights are arriving and being installed, and we can even see a worker fitting a new floodlight into position, with several already installed nearby. Another key update is around the mobility cores. The internal scaffolding has now been removed, leaving the area ready for the next phase, including sandwich panels and the lower concrete panels. Painting work is also continuing on the supports and beams, while a container is being moved onto the first overhang, and some activity continues above. Overall, the Gol Norte continues to gain momentum, with LED installation and mobility core preparation adding visible progress to this side of the stadium. Before reaching the corner, another interesting development is taking shape around the diamond area. A stepped seating structure is being formed, where spectators will eventually be able to sit and watch the video scoreboard positioned opposite the mobility cores. Reinforcement is already being installed, while wooden boards are being placed to form the seating levels. We can also see the first panels being fixed into position, giving a clearer view of how this section will take shape. Nearby, the interior scaffolding has been removed, leaving sections ready for exterior sandwich panels. Finishing work is also continuing, with workers scraping and painting around the bolts and structural supports. This new seating section adds another important detail to the diamond area, bringing its future spectator space one step closer to completion. The crews working inside the stores are currently preparing the floors for tile installation. This is a really exciting development because floor tiling is one of the final finishing activities that happens inside a commercial space before it opens. Think about any shop or restaurant you have walked into recently. The floor beneath your feet is one of the most important parts of how that space feels to be in. A well-tiled floor makes a space feel clean, finished, and professional. It gives the whole environment a sense of quality that you feel immediately when you walk in. And the stores of the new Camp Nou are going to have exactly that. The crews are currently preparing the floors carefully, making sure the surface is level, clean, and properly ready to receive the tiles that are going to go down on top. This preparation work is just as important as the tiling itself. If the floor beneath the tiles is not perfectly level and perfectly prepared, the tiles above it will not sit correctly and the finished result will not look as good as it should. The crews are taking their time to get the preparation right because they know the quality of the finished floor depends on it. Alongside the floor preparation, the lower parts of the glass frames are being covered to protect them from all the work happening on the ground level. This is a really smart and really practical move. All the floor preparation and tiling activity that is about to happen inside the stores involves dust, water, adhesives, and other materials that could easily splash up and damage the glass frames if they were left exposed. By covering the lower parts of those frames now, the crews are protecting the investment that has already been made in the glass installation while the floor works proceed safely around them. The next few weeks at the future stores are going to be genuinely exciting. Every update is revealing another part of the new Spotify Camp Nou. Some areas are entering new construction stages, while others are beginning to receive the details that will define their final appearance. Together, these developments are gradually transforming the entire stadium and making its new identity clearer with every passing week. The journey is far from over. But with every wall, every support, every panel, and every new structure, the future of Spotify Camp Nou is becoming more visible than ever.